Hello everybody, thank you for attending the press conference today. My name is Eric Marcotte. I work with Stedman Machine Company. I'm the inside sales manager. And what we want to talk to you today about is the unveiling of our Expect More campaign. And that is in particular for the HSI, the horizontal shaft impactor, or our Grand Slam. So what we mean by expect more and what we want our customers to expect more out of is the design first and foremost. So what we have done for the Grand Slam is we have a 60-degree slope for the intake for feed going into the mill. We have a different geometry for the aprons hanging inside the mill. That also includes our rotor design and just a general operation of a Grand Slam. Materials fed into the intake, the rotor is spinning, the breaker bars hit the material as it's sliding down the intake, throwing material up against the aprons. And what we want our customers to expect more of is the higher first pass yield of material that is product once it's been through the machine, and our design is aimed to do so. So what also we're talking about for the Expect More campaign is ease of maintenance. You'll see the Grand Slam is in the open position. The housing opens from the front, which is the side where it is fed into, and you have your change-out table here for breaker bars. So this locks the rotor in position to where it can't move. You can slide the bars out, easy turn and change. So ease of maintenance, what that does for you is lower your operating costs. So one, we want our customers to expect more on the performance of the mill. Two, we want to allow them ease of maintenance. What we've also done for maintenance is we have 2-inch thick liners in all the housing liners for the mill. We have 3-inch thick tapered apron plate liners. And our breaker bars, the majority are 4-inch thick. This is our smaller mill, so these bars are just 3 inches thick. But the larger wear parts, the ease of maintenance, all aimed to lower operating costs. And in the end, we want to maximize that first pass yield of product with the design of the mill. Lastly, we want to talk about service. So when a customer purchases a mill, we've listened to their problem or issue that they're having. We've tried to help. They purchase a mill, which is a solution for their problem. But once that mill is purchased and installed in the field, that is when the relationship begins. And we are now their partner. They're not just a customer to Stedman. We've entered into a partnership. We need their help as much as they need our help. So once that mill is installed in the field, what we do in order to ensure that that mill stays running is we have a very good inventory of parts, and if something happens out in the field, we have people available 24/7 to go help them with that issue. So service, first and foremost, talked about last, but first and foremost for us, service is what we want our customers to expect more from for us as a company. So if anyone has any questions or any comments, please feel free to ask about our Expect More campaign. Thank you very much.